Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Liz. I hope you are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my room makeover. Yes, we are finally doing this. It's been a few months since I promised you guys that I was going to do my room makeover slash room tour. So I'm done now. Well, I'm not really done. Of course, there are some other stuff that I still need to add here and there in my room. But for now, I just want to go ahead and show you guys what I've done and how my room is looking like. I changed almost everything in my bedroom. I believe I changed about 90 or 80% of the items in my room, and I'm so happy with the way my room is looking like right now compared to the way it was before. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how my room was before, and then I'll show you guys how my room is like right now. I'll also show you guys each and every piece of item that I have in my room and where I purchased it. So if this is something that you are interested in, then keep on watching. So before we get into it, if this is your first time, I'd really love it if you could go down below and click on the subscribe button now, okay? And don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Like this video, guys, give me a massive thumbs up and leave me a comment down below if you have any questions, okay? So this is basically how my room was looking like before, and the colors are just like, I don't know, it's just something else. I was really not happy with my headboard. I was not happy with, well, I don't know, I was just not happy with everything, okay? So hence I decided to go ahead and change everything from my headboard, my pillowcases colors, my pedestals, chest of drawers, my beddings, as well as my curtains, okay? All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how my bedroom looks like right now, and each and every item in my bedroom and where I actually bought it. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. The very first item that I want to show you guys is this beautiful plant that I got from MRP Home. I believe I bought this last year. Yes, I'm not sure if they still have stock. It's very cute. I bought it for 800 rand and I absolutely love it, you guys. I love it. So right here, you guys, I've got a small rug that I bought a few years back from a rug factory shop just around my area, and this is how it looks like. So this is my bedside table, my pedestal. I don't like keeping a lot of stuff here, okay? I mean, I just like seeing it empty like this. And then I got this flower from MRP Home and it retails for 90 bucks. And then this one is also from MRP side table lamp. Another thing I like keeping on my bedside table is my little notebook. It helps me a lot, more especially during the night. I always get like video ideas. So yeah, I like to keep it next to my bed so that I can reach it easily. So the next item I want to show you guys is definitely these beautiful mirrors. It comes in 3 pieces and this is how it looks like. I bought them from MRP Home. I can't remember the price, but if you guys go on my previous videos, you'll be able to see the home decor video that I did a few months back. I showed you guys these mirrors. I also mentioned the price. I think it's less than 100 bucks. I'm not really sure, but yeah, this is how these mirrors looks like. I absolutely love them, you guys. I don't know, I just love the way it looks. I wanted to have a few black and white in my bedroom, and yeah, so I feel like these mirrors are perfect for the color and I absolutely love them. So the next item I want to show you guys is these 3 frames that I made myself. Well, I didn't make the frames, so I bought these 3 frames from MRP Home. I downloaded these pictures from Pinterest and then I went ahead and changed the color because these pictures were actually in color, so I had to change them into black and white, printed them, and this is how they are looking like. Absolutely amazing. So the next item that I want to show you guys is definitely my headboard. I love it. Me and this headboard, we have a personal relationship that I cannot explain, okay? I just can't explain it because I absolutely love it. By the way, I bought this headboard from a company called Cielo. I'm going to include their website in the description box down below. It was on special, you guys. I was so lucky to get it. I bought it for 2.6, but normal price was 4,000. Yeah, 4,000 something, you guys. So I was very happy when I saw it online, and I quickly went ahead and placed my order. I'm gonna leave the company link in the description box down below. I absolutely love it. So moving on to the beddings and the cushions, you guys, I got these two brown cushions from Sheet Street, and then I got this cream one from MRP Home. Okay, for my beddings, you guys, I got this duvet cover set from Takealot. It comes together with the white pillows, those white pillows there. It's 100% cotton, and I absolutely love it. It feels amazing. The quality is insane, you guys. Absolutely love it. Yeah, it's beautiful. I got it from Takealot. It was on special as well. And then this beautiful throw is from MRP Home. The quality is amazing, you guys. This is like super beautiful. It's very huge, by the way, you guys. So yeah, so this is like my favorite corner in the house. This basket, I got it from MRP Home. Basically everything here is from MRP Home. The towels, the cushion, and this basket, I bought it from MRP Home. I absolutely love the basket color. Let me just move the camera so that I can show you guys. Moving on to the best part of my house, you guys. I mean, the best section. I always feel so peaceful when I come here. Starting from my Pampers grass, I bought them from a boutique on Instagram. This is how they are looking like. This black vase is from MRP Home, and this one over here, hubby bought it for me. I'm not sure where he got it from. I didn't have decorative books, so I went ahead and just grabbed two of my books, and then I placed them here. So this is how they are looking like. The diffuser is from MRP. You guys have already seen it in my home decor video, and it's almost finished. So it's from MRP. This candle and the candle holder is also from MRP. And this is my chest of drawer, you guys. So I normally put makeup in the first drawer. I'm not gonna open it because it's messed up. And then here I've got like some of my clothes, my t-shirt, and then over here I've got some of my winter stuff. So at the bottom I do have my handbags. I'm not gonna open that. So over here, you guys, I've got this huge mirror. This was actually gifted to me, so I can't tell you guys where I bought it from. I bought this carpet at the factory shop, you guys. I'm going to put the information down below. It was very affordable and I absolutely love it. I bought these curtains from MRP Home. This is how it looks like. I absolutely love the color because, again, this is like gray. It's in gray color. These ones are also from MRP Home. The next part of the house, you guys, is definitely my office. It's just a small corner in my bedroom that I use as an office. That's the chair I'm using. And these small pampas grass, you guys, I bought them from eBay. So if you are on my Instagram page, then you definitely know the story behind these pampas grass. There you have it, you guys. So this is basically how my bedroom looks like. Thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, let me know down below which item was your fave in this video, and also, yeah, let me know if you have any other questions. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.